In this video, we're taking a close look at the Delta Essa brushed nickel kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer, also known as the Delta Essa 9113-AR-DST. I'll break down its features, the real pros and cons, and help you decide if this modern kitchen faucet is worth your money, so make sure you watch till the end. Product features. Let's start with what this faucet offers. The Delta Essa features a modern, minimalist design with a smooth brushed nickel-Arctic stainless finish, making it a great fit for both contemporary and transitional kitchens. It's a single-handle, single-hole kitchen faucet, but the good news is it's very flexible. It can fit 1 or 3-hole installations, and Delta includes an optional deck plate, so you're covered either way. One of the standout features is Delta's patented diamond seal technology. This reduces leak points and is designed to last twice as long as the industry standard, giving you leak-free performance for years. The pull-down sprayer makes everyday tasks like rinsing vegetables, washing dishes, or cleaning the sink much easier. The faucet also includes a gasket seal, which helps prevent water from dripping or splashing under the sink, something many cheaper faucets overlook. Durability is another strong point. Delta's Brilliance corrosion-resistant finish is tested to withstand at least 2 times the industry standard, resisting corrosion, peeling, chipping, and discoloration over time. It's also lead-free compliant, meeting or exceeding U.S. safety and performance standards, so you can feel confident using it for your family. And finally, it's backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty, which adds serious peace of mind. Pros and cons. Pros: clean, modern design that fits many kitchen styles. Diamond seal technology for long-lasting, leak-free performance. Corrosion-resistant Brilliance finish that stays looking new. Flexible installation with included deck plate. Smooth pull-down sprayer for everyday kitchen tasks. Lead-free and fully tested for safety and durability. Backed by a lifetime limited warranty. Cons: slightly more expensive than basic or off-brand faucets. No touch or smart features if you're looking for high-tech options. These aren't deal breakers, but they're worth knowing before you buy. Overall review. So, is the Delta Essa brushed nickel kitchen faucet worth it? In my opinion, yes, especially if you value reliability, build quality, and long-term performance. This faucet isn't about flashy gimmicks, it's about solid engineering, smooth operation, and a finish that holds up over time. It's perfect for homeowners who want a stylish, dependable kitchen faucet without worrying about leaks, corrosion, or frequent replacements. If you cook often or spend a lot of time in the kitchen, this faucet is a smart investment that pays off in the long run. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest kitchen faucet reviews, and check out the product link in the description below for the best current price on the Delta Essa brushed nickel kitchen faucet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.